Publishers can simplify bulk tag editing by using Tag.io to export and import tags using a spreadsheet. To access Tag.io, open the channel where you'd like to make the tag or key value change, then select the Channel Tools lens. After opening Tag.io, you can download the spreadsheet and select the columns of metadata you'd like to include in the export. Once the download is complete, open the spreadsheet in your preferred application. Now you can begin editing columns to create new keys or adding or removing values in each row to modify tags. In this example, we'll be adding a new tag under the key of discipline. Keep in mind, the first three columns of the export include ID, file path, and name. This provides information about the content and should be considered read-only and should not be altered. Use a vertical bar character to add multiple tags to a piece of content under the same key. You can also create a new key by adding a column to the spreadsheet. If you've included your relating content categories in your export, you can quickly add content IDs or web pages to create those relationships in AVAIL. In this example, we've copy and pasted a URL web page underneath the related content category of websites. Let's upload the spreadsheet and see the final results. If you've updated the related content in your export, be sure to select the channel where you'd like the content to exist. Then review your changes before clicking Apply. Refreshing the channel will display the related content icon next to the content thumbnails. You can click the icon to open a panel to view the relationship, or you can click the content name. Start using Tag.io today to take your tag management skills to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. Explore the next video to dive deeper and learn more about AVAIL.